And we are back. This time I'm going to show you how to create snowflakes in Adobe Illustrator. Let us start with a black stroke, and we've got no fill color, and we need the line segment tool. Hold shift and it will snap in 45-degree increments. And now we drag a copy out of it. We could rotate it over here, but it's easier to simply hold shift and drag it to the right. We've got a 45-degree angle. Reposition it, your smart guide's happy with that, but that doesn't look perfect. We change the stroke to round and mid to join. Go to window and stroke if you can't find that menu, but it's still not perfect. Go to view and we'll get rid of snap to pixel, so we only got a snap to point activated. And now it fits better. Let us drag a copy out of it, hold shift and we rotate it further and reposition that to the intersection. Let me close that window. Now I select both, holding shift and left click on each. Then I hold shift and I size it down, maybe up to here. Let me copy both, I hold Alt, drag a copy out of it, and I resize that, once more holding shift. This is our basic shape that we need. I put it on the left top and I drag a copy out of it. We're going to create some variations of it. It's the same process. Hold shift when you select more than one object at once, hold Alt when you drag a copy out of it, and hold shift when you resize it. Let us create one more, but this time we want to add a circle to it. So we need the Ellipse Tool, and I hold shift to create a perfect circle. I press V for the selection tool and I place it on top of this shape. I'll size it down. Once more I'm holding shift while doing so. And this is the basic shape. We now use that, drag a copy out of it, put it right here, and then we use the rotate tool. Go to the anchor point at the bottom, hold Alt and left click. We need 6 copies, so 360 divided by 6 is 60. Preview, then copy, and then press Ctrl D until your shape is completed. So we always have 6 shapes in total, so you need to click on Ctrl D 4 times. Let me adjust that. And I'll show you this once more. You can simply press R, which is the short key for the rotate tool. Copy and then Ctrl D. I'll hold shift and Alt when I resize it. Now let us do the same for the other 2 basic shapes. So depending on your basic shape, you create very different results. Let me group that, right click group. And again the last one, copy, Ctrl D, right click group. Now we can create different variations on top, where we control the center element a little bit more. Let us first group this, so right click group, it is important that it's grouped. And I drag a copy out of the circle, select both elements and then I align it properly. Now it's in center, and we will use the shape builder tool. Just connect the center elements. and it's fine. You can also use the star tool for something like that. So let me drag another copy out of it. I activate the star tool, use the arrow keys up and down until you've got 6 corners, just like this. Hold Shift and hold Alt to create this star. Press V for the selection tool. Let me size that down first, holding Shift and Alt. You need to group. Right click group this shape, and then you use the shape builder tool again. But maybe that star was a little bit too big. Let me press Ctrl Z to undo this and size it down further, holding Shift and Alt. And then I use the shape builder tool again. And now it looks good. And this is how you can create these snowflake illustrations in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.